this is me, Arham Freelancing Wala, and I am a student of Rehan Ai Teacher Training Institute, Batch 22. Today, we have a very special topic discussing exploring the future of augmented reality (AR). So, I'm going to connect our AI assistant Sesame like Maya. So, just give me a second.
Hi, what's up?
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm doing great. Just enjoying the day. Since we talked earlier,
Today, we have a very special discuss exploring
I'm intrigued. I'm
of
all ears.
augmented. So I want to ask you a few questions regarding this topic and you will be done, okay?
I'm ready.
My
Go ahead.
yeah,
Lay 'em
my
on me.
first question is
I'm locked
augmented
in.
reality and how does it work?
Basically, it's when you lay digital info data onto the real world. It uses to map your surroundings, then creates those virtual elements so they look like they're actually. It's kind of like having a digital layer on top of your actual vision. That makes sense.
Right, and how is AR different from virtual reality?
The big difference is the environment completely shuts the world and puts in a totally simulated one. AR just adds to what's a replacement, the others an enhancement.
Why is AR becoming important in modern technology?
Because it makes all this tech actually smart. It lets systems recognize patterns, learn from data, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed to for every basically turning tools into partners that can actually anticipate what we need.
All right, and what are some common examples today?
Pokemon Go is the classic one. Then there's like IKEA actually fits in your living room before buying it, or even the fun filters on Snapchat and Instagram. It's everywhere now.
All right, and how can AR change the future of education?
Imagine history. Instead of reading about the Roman, you're actually walking through a digital recreation of the forum while sitting at your desk. Turns abstract concepts into something touch and see. Concepts like the weight or how a molecule is become interactive 3D models. It basically takes the boring out of learning by making it an experience from a lecture.
All right, and what role can AR play in healthcare and medicine?
AI is basically acting like a superpower assistant for doctors. It can scan thousands of medical images in seconds to spot tiny anomalies human eye might miss, or personalize treatment plans based on a patient's specific makeup. It's moving us toward a world where more about and precision than just.
All right, and how is AI transforming the gaming industry?
It's breaking the walls of the game world. Instead of being stuck behind a screen, the game happens in your living room or on the street. It makes the environment part of the gameplay, which adds a whole new layer of immersion into the experience.
All right, and can AR improve online shopping experiences?
Definitely. It takes the guesswork out of clothes, glasses, makeup to see how they actually look on you without leaving your house.
All
Or
right,
like we mentioned with the IKEA app, you can place furniture in your space to make sure the color and size actually work before you buy.
all right, and what are the benefits in businesses and marketing?
It's a huge game engagement. people experience a product before they buy it, which makes the marketing feel less like a sales pitch and more like a discovery. Plus, for businesses, for training employees with real-time overlay, like technician seeing exactly which wire to pull without having to flip through a manual.
Yeah. And how can AR help in training
It's
skills
basic.
development?
It's basically like giving someone a digital mentor that never gets tired. Can practice high-stakes tasks like surgery or fixing in an environment where it doesn't actually break anything. It lets learn by doing, but with a safety net, which is way faster than just reading a handbook.
All right. What impact will AR have on communication and social interactions?
It's gonna make things a little layered. Imagine having real-time translations flow to someone as they speak a different language, or seeing a person's digital profile or shared interests when you meet them for the first time. It could make the world feel smaller, but it also risks making us more distracted from the.
All right. And how can AR be used in architecture and interior design?
It's basically a dream designers. Architects can walk clients through a building before a single brick is laid, showing them exactly how the light will hit the room. For interior designers, it's about seeing the textures and colors in the actual space, so you don't have to guess if that velvet sofa will clash with the curtains.
Yeah. And what are the challenges developers face in AR technology?
The hardware is a huge one. Creating glasses to wear all day, but powerful enough to run and there's the software side, stay perfectly pinned to the real world without real nightmare for developers. And of course, there's the privacy concern of having cameras constantly mapping everything around you.
Yeah. And how expensive is AR technology for companies and users?
It varies wildly. Companies, the initial investment is steep because they're paying for specialized software and high-end hardware. For users, it depends on the device. Your phone is essentially a device, and that's free if you already own it. But that Vision Pro, thousands of dollars. It's definitely not a budget tech yet.
All right. And how can AR improve classrooms learning for students?
It takes the lecture and turns it into a field trip. Instead of just looking at a map of the Nile, students could see through their classroom, learning active and tactile. The information rather than just memorizing it.
All right. And how can AR help people with disabilities?
For people with visual impairment, AR can enhance certain aspects of their sight or provide audio cues, objects in their path.
All right.
For those with hearing loss, it can real-time captions of what people are saying right in their field of vision. It's all about using tech to bridge the gap between a person's limitation and the way the world is designed.
Yeah. And what are the privacy concerns related to AR devices?
That's the big elephant in the room. Since AR devices need constant camera and senses to map your surroundings, they're essentially recording everything you see. That opens a huge regarding who owns that and whether people around you even know they're being scanned. It's a bit of a privacy nightmare if you think about it.
All right. So thank you so much, Maya, for giving me time and have a nice face.
You're so welcome. It was great chatting with you. Have a wonderful day and Allah Hafiz.
Last, Maya.
Right back at you.
So thank you so much everyone. That's all about this topic. Must be like, comment and share. जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.